Hi everyone. So I thought it might be helpful for you to see an actual what it would look like after to give you an idea. I did this particular activity with kids. It was the day before their test, and we were reviewing. And you can see I have. It looks like I had 7 slides, and I started off by just going over some vocabulary we hadn't talked about in a while, skew, parallel, and we kind of did this one together. I did a few multiple choice where I could just see how they were doing. So you can see I see everyone's name, and then if I click on it, I can actually see what they did with their work. Now they were still learning. This was like the first day that we went online, so they were still learning how to write, and it did get much better even as this activity progressed. So I'm going to show you like a full activity. Let's see what we got, what this page looks like. Okay, so I have all my students in my class, and as it was happening, I could see them finding the slope, right? I could check in on them as they were finding the slope, and I could stop them when they made a mistake, like this student made a mistake. I could even see which methods they used on this particular activity. And we could stop and have a discussion. For example, they were writing an equation of a line, and Izzy she was borrowing the slope from this perpendicular line, and using the point, she used point slope. But then I could quickly see how many students might have she used point slope as well. Matthew, point slope as well, great. I was thinking that some of them might have used slope intercept. Nope, point slope as well. Now Theo, you can see he didn't use the pen. He left his pen at school, so on this day we actually had to connect with him and get him his pad back. So, but I could go through any of these pages, and even like on diagrams, maybe like on number 5, you can see that while they're working, I'm actually going through, and they're like, "Hey, Coach Wright, can you come to slide, 5 and look at this with me?" How about Sam? She had to write an equation. I can see her work. I can see clearly what she's doing. And so this is an example of what the kids are doing. And again, this was day 1 this was last Thursday. So they've gotten so much better at drawing on here. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you an example of what it could look like in your class. Okay? Have a great day.